Welcome guys to this new video. Today we're going to install the ECS tuning intake, full intake and turbo inlet pipe. Here we have filter, secondary filter, the silicone turbo inlet hose, and here we have the turbo inlet pipe, big bore. Let's see the difference in power and performance between the stock and all these ECS tuning parts. I'm gonna do an installation video because the installation is on their website. You can go and do the same thing, check their website and just follow the steps. I'm gonna do a sound comparison between stock and with the full intake. This intake does not include the heat shield, so let's see how this plays out. Guys, to be honest, I removed the ECS intake and put the OEM but that left the turbo inlet pipe. The reason for this is that this fan, as you can see there, as the intake didn't have a heat shield, all the hot air was pushed into the filter, and that's not great because more hot air is less power, so we want more power. So that's why I'm going to return this today. The sounds were amazing, but it's not what I intended. I wanted to try it, but when I found out that this fan was pushing all the hot air into the intake, it was a no-no for me. So I just replaced the intake, I put the OEM one, and I think I'm going to go with the IE intake, which is up to here is full intake. So let's see guys, see you in the next video.